Yo, what's good, people? It's your boy Xavier, but you know it's late as hell. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm comfortable as hell. I got the shirt on, the basketball shorts. You can't see. I got the do rag on. I'm comfy as hell. But about to make this quick video with my mans. You about to hop on Monkey, see what he do. We ain't been on that shit in God knows how long. Like since we was like 15, 16. Like we was young as hell on that shit. But yeah, we about to hop back on and see what they do. They took down the app for Monkey, but they actually got a website. So you trying to check Monkey out, hop on the website. It's monkey.cool. Search it up, back on Monkey. I'm going to show y'all our experience from Monkey, like in the past. That shit was crazy, bro. Man, if you ain't mentally prepared, don't get on fucking Monkey, because, bro, you can see anything on this. Mad unexpected. So, yeah, we about to see what they do today. Bring back. I'm about to knock down my motherfucking ring light. But, yeah, we about to hop on that, see what they do. Let's get it. Shoot this video. I don't got no camera yet, but you got to do what you got to do. You got to improvise. So, I'm recording myself from my other phone. And for this phone, I'm going to be screen recording with Monkey. And I'm just going to transfer them, just mix them together. So it could look like, you feel me? I'm recording both at the same time, but we ain't there yet. We not there yet. We going to get there eventually. But yeah, that's how I'm recording. I'm recording from my first phone. And I'm recording Monkey and screen recorded from my second phone. Yeah. Then I got to do it for the Oh, he like speed. Hey,
Bro,
yo, you really like speed,
bro,
bro.
everybody been calling me that since I was on here. Niggas talking about
Oh,
Bishop.
word.
Like,
Let
you
me
don't
see
see
your
this
hand
damn
tattoo.
hand tattoo? Like, who the fuck is Speed?
Yo, speeding?
I do.
Nah, you really do like that nigga. I fuck with your hand tat though.
Well, that's finally a girl. Oh, what's up? What's up? Where you from?
Yo, she next your ass.
She about to pull to the Oh,
Oh,
oh.
she ugly.
I'm dying. That's that gas, my boy. What's that, a 3.5? Oh, he done. Yeah. Alright.
Y'all niggas
What's
be
that, a
safe.
3.5 right there?
Like,
Oh. Yeah, CD so cool.
Hey, bro, shut your fat ass up.
Yeah, suck my dick, got the little ass twisted. You like
Hey,
a
look at this
lizard. You
fat ass
ugly.
nigga.
Put your
Look
face.
at
Put
this
your.
fat ass nigga right there.
You
Look
like
at that
swag
fat ass
out.
nigga.
That's your girl.
Look at that fat
Yeah,
ass
suck a
nigga.
nigga,
You can see my
boy.
bitch ain't still.
That's my sister, you bitch ass nigga. I'll blow your bitch
Oh,
ass.
why you want to show something?
I'll blow
Hold
your
up.
fat ass.
Hold up. This ain't the only one.
Your ass look like
Hold up.
a big ass Teletubby. Fuck
You want
wrong
to
with
swag
you,
out? You
nigga?
want to jump my ass out of here, boy? Hold up.
Hey, what's wrong with your mans, boy? This nigga look like a big ass guinea pig.
Hold up, boy.
Bro, you got on a silk do-rag. Why are you talking? And then
You
you
ain't the
sitting in
only
your
one
mama
blicked
room.
up, nigga. Watch your mouth, nigga.
Wait. Hey, bro. Hey, that's a ghost gun?
Yeah, you
Hey, me
know
too,
what it
look.
is. You
I'm
don't look
not
like
talking to
this,
you no
though.
more. I'm talking to old buddy. Hey, bro, that's a ghost gun?
Yeah, you know what time it is. You don't look like this, though, boy. You know what it
Hey, we
is.
got
Watch
the
your
same
mouth, boy.
gun. We
Watch
got
your
the
mouth,
same gun.
nigga. Why you so angry?
Cause I'm failing.
Oh. Yeah.
That's hard.
She got a little big at work.
Yeah. You gotta get that shit
Ah.
done. You don't want to stay back, you know.
Hey, yo, well, I'm gonna help you out. Go on something called Quizlet. It's gonna give you 100 or anything. Go on something called Quizlet. Go to your
My
yes.
boy said on Quizlet.
I'm smart. I can do this myself.
Hey, why
Yeah,
you
we trying to
failing?
help you out. We trying to give you some
Because
tips.
I just don't be having the motivation to do my work.
It'd be
They
like
go
that.
on Quizlet.
I could use my own brain.
Then why you failing?
I just
Three
told you I
brains
don't
is
have the
better than
That's
one.
not using your brain if you don't
Three
got the
brains is
motivation to
better
do it.
than one.
Nah, mine could equal up to 3 because I'm smart like that.
Then
But
you
you
would never
failing.
been failing.
Like
That's
you
not
keep
that's
saying
not a smart decision though.
no. Okay,
Exactly.
listen, okay, listen. There's a difference. There's a difference in knowing your work and not wanting to do your work.
That's not smart.
Look, bro, you good? Oh, you fake retarded. Why you playing? That shit really gonna happen. You really gonna go stupid. You better stop playing. Yo, he weird. Yo, people on here weird as hell. As expected, bro. Don't mind me. I'm spinning, but my forehead a little ashy. I'm spinning. Come on. You know the name. But yeah, like I said, as expected, man. Monkey is still weirdos on that shit. But anyways, I'm tired as fuck. I'm ready to go to sleep. I'm out. Man, this video took long as hell editing. Y'all better like, sub, subscribe, share this motherfucker. I ain't playing.